Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation will cover Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC C1249-11 related to the vacuum pump motor power line being shorted to ground on a 2022 Honda Civic. DTC C1249-11 indicates a fault in the electric vacuum pump system. It's crucial to understand that the electric vacuum pump plays a vital role in providing vacuum assist for braking systems, which enhances brake performance. When a short circuit is detected in the motor plus line, the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVC, identifies it as an anomaly and stores the DTC. Additionally, we'll also discuss DTC C1249-11, which relates to a similar issue, but with the minus line. Understanding both errors is essential for diagnostics and ensuring the functionality of the vehicle's braking system, which is closely tied to safety. DTC C1249-11 indicates an abnormal condition in the vacuum pump motor power line, and DTC C124A-11 indicates a similar issue in the minus line. The electric vacuum pump is vital as it generates necessary vacuum pressure which aids in brake operation. Located in the engine compartment, it is connected to the electric vacuum pump control unit, EVC. The EVC monitors inputs from the pump and activates it as needed. If either the motor plus line or minus line has a fault, the EVC detects this irregularity, leading to the triggering of the respective DTC. Understanding the role of the electric vacuum pump, its connections, and sensor diagnostics is crucial for accurate troubleshooting. The identified possible causes for DTC C1249-11 and C124A-11 include shorted wiring, a faulty electric vacuum pump itself, or a malfunctioning control unit. Shorted wiring can result from wear or damage, leading to incorrect signals being sent to or received from the electric vacuum pump. A faulty pump may not operate efficiently and could contribute to braking performance issues. Additionally, problems with the electric vacuum pump control unit may hinder the proper operation of the entire system. Each of these elements needs to be inspected meticulously to ascertain where the fault lies before proceeding with repairs. When either DTC C1249-11 or C1248-11 is triggered, drivers may notice warning lights appearing on the dashboard. These alerts indicate that there is an issue with the vacuum pump system. Additionally, drivers might experience decreased braking performance, where the vehicle requires more force to stop, compromising safety. Erratic braking operation can also manifest, leading to unpredictable brake response during application. It is essential to be aware of these symptoms, as they can compromise vehicle safety and efficiency, prompting timely diagnostics and repairs. The first step in the troubleshooting procedure involves the vehicle's ignition system. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the system and illuminates the dashboard indicators. Leaving it in this mode allows for the electric vacuum pump control unit to perform a self-check. Next, turn the vehicle to the off lock position and wait for 2 seconds. This wait time allows any residual system data to clear, ensuring accurate diagnostics when turning back to the on mode. Following these steps is crucial, as it ensures the system is prepared for further inspections and fault identification. The next step is to inspect the external circuit for issues. Begin by examining the motor plus line, denoted as EVP MTR plus, for any signs of it being shorted to ground. If the connection is intact, the next inspection focuses on the motor minus line, or EVP MTR minus. Both lines are critical for the operation of the electric vacuum pump, as they provide necessary power and ground. If an abnormality is found on either line, It indicates a short circuit within the wiring of the pump system. Accurate inspection of these components can help quickly identify the root cause of the DTCs. The third step involves checking the electric vacuum pump itself for operational integrity. Begin by ensuring that the electric vacuum pump's 2P connector is disconnected, which allows for a safe and thorough inspection. Once disconnected, assess the electric vacuum pump for any physical damage, signs of wear, or failure to operate. If the system was found to return normal readings during the previous checks, yet the vacuum pump remains non-operational, it's likely that the pump has failed. Understanding the functionality of this component is paramount since it directly affects brake performance. Thus, any and all faults should be addressed before concluding diagnostics. After performing all necessary repairs, it is critical to verify that the issues have been resolved. Start by clearing any DTCs stored within the electric vacuum pump control unit. This step ensures that the system is reset and gives a clear indication if further faults arise during road operation. Next, conduct a test drive to observe the vehicle's braking dynamics and overall performance. During test drives, pay close attention to the braking response to ensure that brakes engage smoothly without delays or distractions. If all systems function correctly and no faults are present post-repair, you can confidently confirm that the issue has been successfully resolved. Preventive maintenance is essential for preventing future occurrences of DTCs like C1249-11 and C124A-11. Begin with regular inspections of wiring harnesses, particularly those connected to the electric vacuum pump. Keeping an eye on these connections can help catch wear or damage before they lead to serious issues. Ensuring that the connections to the vacuum pump are secure and free from corrosion is equally vital. Additionally, monitoring performance during regular vehicle inspection intervals can help identify irregularities sooner rather than later. Proactively maintaining these components is key to enhancing their longevity and reliability, helping drivers avoid troubleshooting down the line. In conclusion, understanding the definitions and implications of DTC C1249-11 and C124A-11 is vital for effective vehicle maintenance. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps will assist technicians in accurately diagnosing the issues with the electric vacuum pump system. It's crucial to recognize symptoms early and confirm findings through systematic inspection. Implementing preventive measures will play a significant role in avoiding similar incidents in the future. Ultimately, maintaining the vacuum pump and its wiring can greatly enhance vehicle safety and performance, ensuring that owners can enjoy a reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.